Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to find out subdomain, subdirectory, URL or folder in iPage hosting. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in domain setting. Now you see all domain we have. So we are going to find out subdomain, subdirectory. So this is our domain. So we have subdomain for this domain. Now click on it. So we are in domain setting. Now you see domain and then on left side you see summary. You see multiple option and then scroll down you see advanced, pointers and subdomain. So click on it. Now we are in pointer and subdomain and we are in subdomains and then you see add subdomain. If you want you can add it and then you see subdomain name, subdirectory URL. So this is our subdomain and this is our path or folder. Now you see location. This is another subdomain. Also you see path folder for this subdomain. So if you have multiple subdomain or WordPress website, so you can use this method to identify which subdomain folder exists in which path in your hosting. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.